Hi guys, these are my 5 new approaches for this year that I have used to duplicate my sales and my general performance on MerchMind Amazon. Okay, let's dive into it. First, my first approach is to remove all listings, all designs that have not sold for more than 3 months or more. Don't fall in love with them. Okay, now designs are so easily made that you don't have to fall in love with them, and if they don't perform and don't sell, you just eliminate it. For example, for this I can use MerchFlow, merch on demand app, that you have to pay for this, but I think there's a pre-plan, but I don't think that you can delete designs in back. Okay, but if you buy the plan, you can go easily to designs and with some filters decide which are your oldest designs that have not sold and delete them in back. I have created my own filter here that's called delete. So what this does is show me my oldest designs without sales. So I just check them and select the ones I don't like and easily go here to delete, and you confirm the designs you want to delete. I usually delete like 10 or 20 or more daily so that I can upload new designs. That's a basic trick to start selling more and have worked very well for me to duplicate myself or even triplicate myself this year in relation to last year. Okay, let's go to the second step. The second trick, it is also with MerchGo. I have created new campaigns and more structured ad campaigns to my best performing t-shirt designs. Okay, for this, I also use this tool and I go to products and use the filters here. I used all these defaulted filters, and this is I have discovered that is the one of the best, fastest way to create good ad campaigns based on your performance of your designs. Okay, for example, you can create campaigns with accelerating momentum. That this is products showing strong positive sales momentum compared to the previous 30-year day period. For example, you can use this one and investigate all these filters. I use them almost all, and this campaign can perform very well for me. For example, if you decide to use this designs of accelerating momentum, you can then filter here, and if you want to go only with US standard t-shirts, you filter like that. These are all my designs that are increasing in momentum. So I want to make campaign for this because they are performing good already organically, but with this ad campaign that I can make in back easily with MerchGo, they will perform better. There are 2 ways that you can do this. For example, here you can copy the ASINs, okay, and you can go to your merch account and create, for example, a new campaign. Name it the way you want. Like here, paste all your listings, and they continue to develop your campaign. Okay. The other way that is very fast also is created in bulk here. You press here create ads and you create it here. For example, here you select your marketplace, you put the name, okay, daily budget, the bid, you select the bidding strategy, and what I use here is that I create campaigns. You can create lottery campaigns. That is the most common way of doing. Or the other way that I use a lot is ad group per ASIN. Okay, this means that every ASIN or design of all these back ad campaign will have its own ad group. What this means is that in the ad group, in the campaign, you can modify them in your ad console and put more high beats, low beats, and check the specific performance for every AC. Okay, if you have doubts about this and it sounds too complicated, please leave it in the comments and I can make a video about it specifically about that. Okay, let's go to the third tip. The third tip that I have is to always investigate new ways of finding niches and ideas. Okay, for example, I'm gonna show you three fast ways that I've taught before in my channel. For example, in Pinterest, you can use the P-Twist tool that I will leave in the description. This is the tool that sprayed Pinterest that created Jose Quiles, my friend. And here it's very easy. You can put, for example, a funny t-shirt and you can scan here. I'm sorry, let me fix this. Funny t-shirt. You can sort pages, like say 10 pages. It's gonna scrape 10 pages, okay? And it's gonna show in the first places the results with more saves, okay? Because the filters is set to that. Okay, here you can find a lot of ideas and ideas sometimes that are not in merge. Okay, you have to do extended search here, and the app had a lot of filters here that you can play. I'm not gonna show them now to you, but you can stay all day finding niches here, and it's worked a lot this year for me. This tool, in order to duplicate myself or sometimes replicate myself. For example, another way that you can use is using an app and a Chrome extension that I built a couple months ago that I showed before. That is this I need this t-shirt Chrome extension. For example, what this does is give you all the results for the keyword I need this t-shirt that are in all social media. Okay, I'm gonna leave in the description also this Chrome extension, but I'm gonna show you fast example to find t-shirt ideas. Example, if I click here on Instagram, it's gonna show me all the results that are on Instagram that are fresh, that have the keyword I need this on a t-shirt. And here you can I found a lot of ideas that I'm selling for already selling, that sometimes have like 10 of competition, 50 competition, very low competition. And even you can go further here. You can go, for example, click here and you can go to the specific Instagram account and scroll and scroll and scroll and find ideas. Okay, this is a very effective way to find fresh ideas with low competition. Okay, a third way that I've been using also this last week is using Google AI. For example, now in Google you have, if you click here, you have the AI mode, and this is a pre-AI search engine that you can find a lot of fresh competition, because Google is scanning in all the Google database. Okay, that's like saying all the world database. Okay, for example, here I wrote it, give me 10 new low competition niches ideas for back to school for 2026 merch on demand t-shirt design IDF. If you see the results here, it gives me a lot of specific micro niches, for example, that I found it a lot very good. It's not like the generic ChatGPT results. Okay, for example, you can go do it yourself with any niche I put back to school, because back to school is coming like in 2 months, so I'm already working on it. But for example, t-shirt for school drivers, t-shirt for neurodivergent people. Okay, for example, kindergarten first survival for dads. This is specific for dads that lead the kids in kindergarten. That is very special occasion for them. Okay, school cafeteria. Okay, these are very specific, and this has been very useful for me in the last month, okay? And this is, of course, 3. You just have to use Google, okay? This is my 3rd tip. Always investigate different ways to get new niches, not only the paid tools and the standard merchant demand searches, okay? There are many ways, many more ways, of course, that you can find niches, but I just show you 3 as an example of the possibilities that they have, okay? Now let's go to the 4th one. Of course, the 4th one is create new designs. But what I mean by this, now you have tools, for example, like the one I'm going to show you, that is a Chrome extension that I already showed in this channel before, that you can create designs in Bug very fast. For example, here, I asked the Google AI to give me prompts, 20 prompts for the ideas that it showed me, okay? And I have them here. And instead of going one by one, I can copy them all here and go to Flow AI. This I have already talked about this before, but I'm showing it again. And you can use here this Chrome extension called FlowQ, where you paste all your prompts and it creates them in Bug. Okay, that way you can have many ideas per day, 100, 200, and can create them in Bug very fast, and you don't have to spend all of your day copy prompts and pasting them and making them. Okay, let's see the results that is giving me. Okay, let's see all the results that is giving me. It created me 20 prompts with all these fresh ideas that you can see the result at once. Okay, then you decide if you want to use them or not, but this is a very fast way of creating your ideas that you find. Okay, let's see the results. You see, this is creating all the back to school that Google suggested us that are micro niches, and it's creating them very fast. Okay, of course you can go to merch and search for competition if there is actually demand, all of that stuff, trademarks. This is very funny. Kindergarten drop-off crew. This is for the dad that had this first child in kindergarten and wears that. Okay, if it is, the series designs are very good. They are all different and they all have insight. Okay, back to school insight. They are not random vague ideas. Okay, this is to create designs very fast, because if you delete them, you have to create fresh ideas and then delete all the designs that start selling and again search for the ones that do not sell and delete them again. Don't fall in love with all designs. That's one of my best tips. Okay, let's go to the 5th tip. This is the 5th tip is very important, and it's been crucial to duplicate or triplicate my profit this year. And it's very simple. Last year, I started using a technique in which I decreased my prices in order to have momentum in my sales, and then increase the prices. But this year, I stopped that and started increasing first prices on my best sellers, for example, to $22.99 or even $24.99. That gave me a profit of $7 or $8. First, I was a little scared and I thought that sales would decrease, but in some cases, sales even increase. I don't know why. It's a psychology thing of buyers, but listen to me with that tip. I think if you have bestsellers already, try with your 10 bestsellers and you will see that sales will not decrease, and in some cases will increase, and your profit will double or triple. Okay, so my 5th tip for this year is increase your prices. Don't be afraid. or at least just give it a try. Okay? And if you pushing them with ads, you will see the results. For me, it's been amazing. Okay? This is my tip, and I got a bonus tip that this is a paid tool, a paid school group that I've been using like 1 year, I think. That is Merch Mastermind. This is a group created by Phil and Adam. Okay, I started participating here like a year ago, and since then my sales have doubled and tripled. Like I have been telling you, with all these tips, and I've learned like many more tips here, and free tools and free softwares. Okay, many interesting stuff that will sure make you increase your sales and your general performance. Okay, this is not a paid tip. I'm doing this for free because I really think that participating here in this code community will improve your situation. Okay, of course you got to pay. I think it's like $40 or $50, but if you had the money and want to really improve your performance, give it a try. Okay, contact them if you are interested. But I think it's a very good bonus tip that you can use for this year, and you will see the results. Okay, hope you like this new video and my new tips to double or triple your sales this year. Leave your comments on below. I read them all, and I will try to make new videos about that. Okay, so see you in the next one. Bye.